Just below the Electrolog number search, we have the keyword search. Here you can type in literally anything related to the item and search for it. Your search can include manufacturer names, vehicle types, engine specs, and even measurements. For example, let's look at a starter that fits a Toyota Corolla with a 4AFE engine. So we will just type in starter Toyota Corolla 4AFE and press search. With this search, we now get a list of all Toyota Corolla starters with the 4AFE linked to it. Take note, you can search for anything using a keyword search. It is also great for searching for items you are not sure on an Electrolog. Let's say you didn't know if Electrolog covers strobe lights. You could search for a strobe light you need and see if you get it. For example, I'm going to type in strobe light amber 24 volt and press search. And voila, a list of strobe lights that are amber and 24 volts are listed. Easy as pie. Like I said, this is probably the most powerful search in Electrolog.